In real estate, we have many ways of communicating with people. We have email, phone, text, fax, and written letter.
We strive to communicate with our clients in the manner they prefer. And in this hot market, it's important to our team that the delivery of the information is expedited.
There are some people that have alternative methods of communication that they prefer.
Hey honey, we just got a new listing from the Drew Coleman team.
The Drew Coleman team is all about client satisfaction.
That's why we're here.